Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ira and today I'm very excited to share with you all that I'm in the famous Banjara market in Gurgaon. This market is in Sector 56 in Gurgaon. This place offers some really cool, trendy and beautiful home decor items at very affordable prices that can totally revamp the look of your home, making it look so much more stylish. I've organized this video into sections like ceramic, wood, and other home decor items for your convenience of consumption. So, without further ado, let's enter the market. I'm super excited. So, as soon as you enter the market, you will see a lot of banjaras selling ceramic items. This includes a lot of home decor items, but also kitchen accessories. This is the spot where the market starts, and you can see a whole host of ceramic items, especially cups and beautiful coffee mugs, and also these pastel colored bowls. What caught my eye was these beautifully printed kettles, which were available as sets and also as individual pieces. वैसे ये एक 300 रुपए की है. Another thing that I absolutely loved were these pastel colored soup bowls. They were available in pastel blue and pastel pink colors. One bowl costed around 70 rupees, and if you take two, it was 140. There were glasses and teacups also available in pastel colors. ये अचार वाली है ना? ये कितने की? Then comes the section of these beautiful ceramic pots, which are perfect to keep your indoor plants on your working table or even to gift your friends. These looked super gorgeous and were available in so many different colors, shapes, styles, like these duck pots and then Buddha faced pots. The starting price of the smaller pots was only around 50 rupees. These cute looking tiny chutney katoris in black, orange, and yellow color were only for 50 rupees a piece, and the teacups were for 60 rupees a piece. You can also make a set out of it. The coffee mug in my hand was for only 150 rupees, and this was a really tall mug, perfect for those chilly winter evenings. Another thing that looked really gorgeous and very decorative were these dinner sets. So this was a set of three dongas to keep your dals and vegetables, and it started from around 700 rupees. They were available in so many different colors like ash grey, blue. There was also a very European kind of a design to one of the dinner sets in the video. There were also several other decorative pieces. The smaller chocolate brown and coffee colored mugs were for around 250 rupees for a set of six. There was another set of coffee colored mugs with a polka dot print that was also for around 250 rupees for a set of six mugs. This very gorgeous and beautiful mug in pastel pink color was only for 60 rupees, and it was really wide and could hold a lot of beverage. It was also available in this pista green pastel color and also pastel blues. These soup bowls were available in different designs in the same color. One soup bowl was only for 60 rupees. The designs were in diamond cut shape and also in slanting consecutive lines. This vendor had a very offbeat collection of dual toned cups and mugs, and also these bottles and the dinner sets. So one of the things that I loved the most was this dual colored dinner set. It is perfect to give the right pop to your kitchen. I also really liked this chotu si cute kadhai sets. So it was a set of three kadhais for only 500 rupees. This elegant looking dinner set in grey color was only for 700 rupees, and it was a set of three. The same dinner set was also available in Prussian blue color, and again it costed only 700 rupees for a set of three dongas. It was also available in dual colors, but the price was the same. As you can see, the dinner sets are available in two different designs. This beautiful marble toned tray to keep your starters was around 350 rupees for one. And here comes the most unbelievable part. These gorgeous, colorful tea coasters were only for 20 rupees. just for 20 rupees one piece. They were available in bigger sizes and smaller sizes, both in square shapes and circles, and even in rectangles. These looked so gorgeous. However, there was a little catch. Some of them were like slightly chipped from the sides, but most of them were good, so you can take your time and pick the right one. While most vendors had pretty plain looking salt and pepper containers, this vendor had very beautifully colored, vibrant salt containers, both in small and bigger sizes. Bigger one was for 50 rupees. There was a nice collection of beautiful conical ceramic vases to keep your flowers. This can be used to hang them on the wall. This beautiful yellow blue kadhai like thali had two bowls attached to it. A set of this was for only 400 rupees. I instantly fell in love with this beautiful kettle set. It had a small kettle and two cups with a tray. This entire set was only for 500 rupees. There was also a decent collection of dessert plates and dinner plates. Some dinner sets were also available in this beautiful Mughlai style print. The other sets were in blue and grey color. Both the Mughlai print and the regular print were for 850 rupees for a set of 3. However, the prices were negotiable. This was what the vendor told me. There were also gorgeous starter trays to present your paneer tikkas and kebabs in the most beautiful way. And these beautiful starter trays started from only about 200 rupees. This elegant and dainty flower vase, which is white in color and is hollow in the center, was only for 1200 rupees. And this is what the vendor told us. This is negotiable. There were also very pretty oyster shaped soap cases, and they started at only 150 rupees. This vendor had a massive collection of bowls in really large sizes and even smaller sizes. And then there were these flower pots. Mid to large sized ceramic flower pots started from around 200 rupees and went up to 350 to 500 rupees. The big round shaped flower vases were only for 150 rupees, and the flower vase with the Buddha face on it was for only 300 rupees. There were also flower pots for the Tulsi plant with Shubh Labh or the swastik carved on it. Some of the ceramic flower pots had a really shiny and glossy finish to it, while several others had a very matte finish to the vase. Some of the vendors also had cushion covers, rugs, and stools along with the ceramic collection. This was one such vendor. He had these beautiful cushions in very contemporary and modern style, with black and white prints and macrame style stools and some crochet net work. I really liked the storage basket. It was a jute bucket kind of a basket which really holds itself and stands straight. I thought I could really keep our weights in it. However, the primary purpose of this basket was to keep your laundry. This guy had only one left, so there were not a big collection of this laundry basket available. While later in the market, I saw a few vendors having them. I only wish they came with lids or covers. This lovely golden bird cage was for 500 rupees. They were available in both smaller and bigger sizes in black, gold, and white color. This can also serve as lamps. These studio lights costed around 30.
ये छोटे वाले ये वाले
This pretty lamp with a white lampshade was for 900 rupees. It was also available in red, orange, and rose pink color. Contrary to the traditional style lamp, there was also this modern, sleek looking lampshade which was for around 1200 rupees. This very Chinese looking print on this lamp was for also 1200 rupees. There was a mind blowing collection of these studio lights. The one he's holding in hand is for 1300 rupees. There was this extraordinarily gorgeous collection of Buddha faces, cactus shaped vases, and wall decors. These wall decors were around 1800 rupees and it was negotiable. They were available in gold, copper, and silver tones. There were also a beautiful collection of these little showpieces. A very soothing and calming piece was this Buddha statue with a waterfall in it. There was also a really nice collection of wooden wall clocks. The guy told us that these costed around 1500 to 1200, and the lowest cost of the smallest piece was around 900. This beautiful clock was for 900 rupees, and there was another one, the one in the front, was for 1100 rupees. There were also these beautiful stools with marble tops on it. So the top of the stool was of marble and the bottom looked like a bird cage. There was a really nice showpiece of a jaguar in silver on a white marble floor, which looked really pretty and made for a perfect piece for your living room. This vendor had an absolutely beautiful collection of vintage watches, silver vases, and even golden vases, and some gorgeous and very elegant and dainty wall decor with mirrors in the center in the shape of a sunflower and some beads. These were the planters, and these looked really gorgeous. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, as I will be doing a huge haul video and I will be telling you what all I shopped and at what prices. These standing lamps were for 3000 rupees and were available in different patterns. This pretty looking crystal pen stand was for around 300 rupees and looked absolutely dazzling. This green, trendy and funky looking teapot costed around 300 rupees and had some nice funny saying on it along with some nice miniature drawing. This pretty looking yellow golden bird cage was for around 450 rupees. It was a standing bird cage, so you can place it on a table, and it was also detachable. So you can remove the cage and open it, and in the housing, you can actually place a bulb, so it also becomes a lampshade. It can serve as a decorating piece or even a lampshade, or you can also just decorate it with some other lights on the outside. These tall three-legged standing lamps were for around 3000 rupees. They were available in both red and white color. There were also these beautiful tiny wooden baskets on the outside. These side stools for the living room had a marble top and a bird cage like golden bottom. They were around 2800 rupees for a single piece, and they looked really gorgeous and majestic. Gave a really nice royal, modern, and contemporary look. These wrought iron self-standing garden stands in black and white color are really nice space savers, and also keep make your space look really green with most of the pots in one place, giving it a very aesthetically pleasing and organized look. The cost of one stand was 1500 rupees. I love the fact that you can keep 8 to 9 pots in such less space. Also, if you've not subscribed to my channel as yet, please do consider subscribing. This was yet another garden stand with a birdhouse look on the top and a space to keep 5 to 8 pots. This was for around 1500 rupees. This gorgeous घुंघरू वाली करवा चौथ पूजा की छन्नी was for 500 rupees and was available in gold and rose gold tones. ये वुडन तोप वाले शो पीस की स्टार्टिंग 1000 रुपीज से थी एंड इनमें बहुत सारे साइजेस अवेलेबल थे. The market had a stylish and a stunning collection of floor mats, rugs, and carpets. This white fur carpet was for 1500 rupees and was of very good quality. The base material was thick and the fur was very soft. While this grey carpet, which was slightly bigger than the white carpet, was for only 1200 rupees. This gorgeous macrame wall hanging in off-white color was for 500 rupees. They were also available in different colors like blue and lemon green, yellow, all starting from 500 rupees. These macrame stool sets were available in a host of different colors like grey, yellow, pink, blue, brown. A set of 2 stools costed 2500 rupees. This other pattern of stools, this in yellow, red, maroon, white, and black color, was also for 2500 rupees, a set of 2 stools. This gorgeous fur topped blue stool was for only 2500 rupees, a single piece. These through and through soft macrame stools were only for 1500 rupees, a set of 2 stools. They were available in a host of different colors, so you can easily choose one to match your home decor. These designer storage bags and or laundry baskets started for around 700 rupees and make for a really good looking storage for your laundry. These wooden corner ladders for the living room were one piece that I really liked. The smaller one with 3 racks was for 1500 rupees. The medium sized one with 4 racks was for 1800 rupees. And the biggest one with around 6 racks was for 2500 rupees. This small, very vintage looking side table was for only 1000 rupees and it also had a box storage. These bigger sized side tables were for 2200 rupees. This cute wooden tray on wheels was for 1200 rupees and looked really pretty. These quirky and stylish wooden frames were available in a lot of different designs. The smaller ones started from 150 rupees and the bigger ones were for 200 rupees. There were a lot of wooden panels and frames for the wall. This smaller wooden stool was for 900 rupees and the bigger one was for 1400 rupees. There were also these quirky looking wooden letters available so you can get the initials of your name and you can also get them painted into any color of your choice. Then there were also these standing mirrors available. The medium to big sized one costed around 3000 rupees. This globe cost around only 150 rupees. I hope you liked this video and if you did, do give it a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to my channel as I will be doing a haul video very soon to show you what all I shopped and for how much. Please do consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you're notified every time I put out a new video. Till then, bye bye.